Hello everyone. Today we're gonna talk about how to install shopperzz script that we got it from Code Canyon and without the license key needed. Okay, so as you can see, the website, the e-commerce website, comes with a lot of functionalities and a lot of things like a mobile app. So this is a great option. Okay, so this is a mobile app that you can install it in your phone somehow. Okay, so let's try to close this pop-up, okay, and try to see the website. So this is the website. All right, it's powerful and you can add whatever you want. Okay, so we're gonna try to it comes with a lot of languages like English and Arabic, but you can add another languages. Okay, here is categories. Here the logo, you can change it, you can change whatever you want here. Okay, so let's try to go through the login, so we can log into the admin account. So let's see the admin option, the email field. So okay, let me see, it's admin at example. Okay, sign in. I think 1 2 3 4 5 6. All right, so great. Now let's try to go through the dashboard of the admin. So this is the dashboard of the admin, so you can try to change whatever you want. So we're gonna go through the settings here for the company, here for the site, here for the mails and whatever. Let's go through to change, for example, the currency. So we're gonna change it to the dollar, so you can add whatever the currency you want. Here for other options that you can add. All right, so let's save this. Here as well, if you want to add your own WhatsApp, so the orders will go through your WhatsApp. All right, here is as well a lot of things: cookies, analytics, team sliders, currencies, product categories, and brands, and whatever. There's all those things here. So if you want to add your own language, you can add it from here. So I just add Arabic and English, so you can add French, Dutch, and whatever. Okay, so from here you can switch the language easily. For example, to Arabic, it switches again to the English. Okay, so as well as the website comes with the POS, so this is a very great option. So let's try the client bought this product, for example. So let's add this product, for example, this one, for example. Okay, add to cart. Let's add this one. Okay, so I want to add to the POS those three products. So if you have a discount, this is cash, card, mobile banking, other. So you can specify which payment, and here you can click on the order. Let's click on the order, and here is the invoice. So let's close this. This just for the POS. All right. Let's go through the dashboard. So here is the dashboard: earnings, total orders, customers, and whatever. And here it gives you the summaries, order summaries here, the top customers, customer stays here, top products that works for you. And here you can add products or you can import them, okay, or you can export them as well. You can filter, you can do whatever. Here for the purchases, okay, here for the images, and here for stock, here is the management of stock. Here we have a POS. Okay, if you want to add a POS, as we said before, here for POS orders, everything related with the POS orders. Whenever you add an order from the POS, it's gonna be showed up here. And these for online orders, like for example, let's go through this website. This is our website. Let's go for it. And so here for return orders, here for return and refunds, here for coupons and whatever. Okay, here for customers, if you want to see your customers, here if you want to see your employees. Okay, here is for transactions and whatever. Okay, so let's just log out from the admin account. So this is a website. Okay, so let's try to close this, and let's start from the beginning, how we can install such as a beautiful website like this that comes with the mobile app as well. Okay, so we're gonna try to install this script for free without a license key needed, step by step. Okay, so we're gonna try to use a hostinger installing this script. So if you don't have a hostinger and you want to buy a hostinger, hosting and the domain name, so I'm gonna put a link below of this video, so you can try that link to have a 25% discount, so you can have a free domain name with a hosting, so you can try to install like this script and start your work. Okay, so let's start. So now let's start installing and downloading the script. Okay, so just go to this website, autoscripthub.com. So I'm gonna put this link in the description. So here you gonna on the search you will put like shoppers. Okay, here is it. Click on search now, and you will have here the listing. Right, click on that. Great. So you're gonna just buy it by $5, and it's a lifetime. So you can use it for your own business and without license key. I repeat, this is not for license key. So license key it's available. Okay, so you're gonna just start install, and I'm gonna tell you how to do it. Okay, without license key needed. So here is, so you can try this script for your own business, or you can sell it to other businesses. Okay, so you can make money with it. Okay, so let's proceed to checkout. Great. Now that you are here, so you can try like a customer, like put your email if you are new customer. So just put your email address. I'm gonna say example at gmail.com. Okay, and here just put whatever any password and check out with PayPal. Please check out. Now it's trying to get 5.15, so I'm gonna purchase it. Click in complete purchase. Great. Now let's go return to the merchant. Alright, now that the website will create an account for you, okay, and the payment transaction was successful. Now let's go through the purchase. Now click on the purchase, and you will find the item. Here is the shoppers. So let's click on download item. When you click download item, so you will have a link of like downloading the item, right? So let's click on the download item, and you will have the this link, right? So click on download, and you can install this script. All right, now we have this path when I uploaded my or where I downloaded my zip file. So you will get this file. So what you should do, you have to extract the zip file. So click on extract here. So you will have two files, zip file, and you will have a database file. Okay, now we're gonna try. So we are going to go to the Hostinger. So go to your account on Hostinger. So as I said before, if you don't have the account on Hostinger, so I'm gonna put a link below, so you can create your own account for free, and you can get a 25 discount off the hosting. Okay, so you can both you buy your own domain name. So for example, I have this domain name ajitsn.com. So I'm gonna try to install the script on this domain name. Okay, so I'm gonna go through this domain name and see what has exactly until now. So ajitsn.com. So as you can see here, we have 403 forbidden. So there's nothing on this website until now. So we're gonna try to install the script and show our website here. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. Now the first thing, I'm gonna go through the overview. So I'm gonna add the zip file here on the file manager. All right, so great. So go through the public HTML, and you can upload the zip file. So I already uploaded. So if you don't know how, just upload it from here. Click upload file, and I already upload the zip file here. So this is the file. So upload this zip. All right. Then upload it here. Then what you should do, extract it, and put it on some file. Just write whatever you want here. Extract it, and after extracting, you will get this, and just move everything to the public HTML folder. So we're gonna try to remove this folder. Great, now we have all files and folders inside public HTML. Now great, but what we should do now is to have the database of this website. Now let's go to create our own database. So here is this. So click on databases. Click on databases. Here you should add your own database. For example, my website is ajitscan.com. So I'm gonna say, for example, ajitscan, for example, and I'm gonna put as username. So let's put the password as being123 at, and let's create this website. All right. Now let's go to intro to PHP my admin. So click on this button, enter PHP my admin, go inside the database, and you should import the database you extracted. So click on import, choose file. Let me copy the path and let me put it in here. So let's import this database and let's import it. Great. I'm sorry. So what we should do? Let's drop everything. Okay, let's drop everything. Enable foreign key. Yes. Now, okay, let's import it again. So this is the database, and click on uncheck enable foreign key checks. Okay, and import it again. Great. Now it's imported successfully. Now that we have the database and we have all files, so what you should do now is copy this database username. Click on that, select it and copy it. Go into .env, this one, all right, and go to the just wait a little bit of seconds. Let's go to this database, okay, and copy and paste the database usernames. And here I already put the password as being123 at, so let's check off this at, and let's go to this website. So my domain name is ajitscan.com. Yeah, so is everything okay? So everything is okay, so let's save that. Now it's saved. Now we have all files of our website is connected to our database. Now let's check our website ajitscan.com. Great, now the website is working perfectly, and now you can browse, you can go to the product, you can like buy a product, you can add it to the cart, and whatever you can favorite, and you can do whatever you want. So let's try go to the login to your account. So let's try the admin. So for admin at example, like we said before, here 1 2 3 4 5 6, and let's sign in. Great, now we can go through the dashboards, the admin, and you can see the website with the admin, the POS and everything. So here is how you can install the shopper script without license key. So there is no license key needed or installing database or some stuff like that. So you can do like this as I showed you guys. So thank you so much.